Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 won't close properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a malfunctioning locking mechanism or a blocked motor. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage and potentially expensive repairs in the future. To tackle this problem, you will need a set of Torx screwdrivers, some tweezers, a soft cloth to clean any debris, and possibly a replacement locking mechanism depending on the diagnosis. Begin by ensuring your Thermomix is unplugged. Carefully use a Torx screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the device. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top cover, taking care not to damage any cables connected to the motor. Be mindful of the locking mechanism, it is often located near the hinge area. If you notice any debris or blockages, use the tweezers to extract them. In case the mechanism is broken, you will need to disconnect the cables attached to it. These should come off easily with a gentle tug, but ensure you remember their positions for reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the faulty component is removed, install the new locking mechanism by reversing the disconnection process. Reconnect the cables tightly but carefully, ensuring no wires are pinched. Before closing everything up, it's a good idea to test the mechanism by pressing it a few times to ensure it engages correctly. After confirming that everything is functional, place the top cover back on and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Now your Thermomix should close properly. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the locking mechanism and ensure there are no obstructions around the hinge area. Additionally, avoid overloading the Thermomix, as this can stress the locking mechanism. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.